Good afternoon. So today we've taken the dog out this morning. Now we've just been chilling out, actually been trying to organise potential stuff for when we go back. She can hear we're still here. We are now going to head out into town. Going to drive.
Yeah, just to have a look at a few bits in town.
Yeah. Just a few things to do.
With the dog.
Yeah, just so we're going to go see a few things that we can't take her, so we do that now. We just wanted to wait till the afternoon where it's a little bit cooler because it was muggy today and really oppressive with the weather. But yeah, come along and we'll see what we can do.
Hello and welcome back to DNA Travel. Alex and I are thrilled to bring you along on this new season as we explore the incredible country that is Guatemala. We're kicking things off in the historic city of Antigua, where vibrant colours and rich culture welcomes us to the heart of Guatemala. From there, we'll be venturing off to the breathtaking shores of Lake Atitlan, surrounded by stunning volcanoes and charming villages. And for our grand finale, we'll be heading into the magical town of Flores, a gateway to the ancient ruins and endless natural beauty that make Guatemala unforgettable. So come along with us, subscribe, and let's explore this beautiful country together.
I had to go see what that information sign says. So yeah, that was shut for today, so we have to go find something else to go do. Can't see anything. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice too. It's bigger than I thought.
We're now in the cathedral. Just to have a look around. This one's cheaper than the convent.
Yeah, it dates back to 1545, this one.
Go down there. Made it down to the catacomb. One of them. There's another one, but
Go to the other one at the front.
yeah. Watch your head. It's so small. Okay, so what that's saying is that the Crematoims. Hello, good morning. So this morning we've come out, but we brought the dog and we're going to go see potential viewpoint, even though it's quite cloudy, and then we are going to try and go for some lunch. So yeah, as I say, quite cloudy and misty. But we got the dog. We're rolling along the way to the basketball court. Now we got to go uphill. Got to go uphill. You just about make it out. But yeah, so we are coming up here, and we're just going up there. We made a second dog friend who Pomme is not enthused about. Alex is being pulled up,
I want to go though.
and our little friend's still with us. Yeah, it's a nice easy enough hike so far. It's just kind of already at the level we need to be, we think. Yeah, it's not going to take long. Don't know what the view's going to be like, but we'll have a look. Dude, stop pulling. That's very dusty. Not a bad view though, even with the not great. Yeah. You get anything for me?
No, I didn't.
So, what you get?
We got polo a la llena, which is rotisserie chicken, and then lunch chili relleno, which is stuffed
Cool. And
chilies,
some drinks.
and it comes with tortillas and drinks.
It's nice and smoky in here though.
Yes.
Yeah. Alex's. I think I'll plan on making a light drink.
Tasty.
Hello. You may not be able to hear me that well, but the heavens have finally opened. So we've just been chilling, watching stuff on my laptop, and I probably won't be able to show it yet because, I mean, it is nighttime and all the lights are on. But yeah, see, I was hoping just then there was going to be a thingy, a flash. But yeah, we've had lightning, thunder, all that fun stuff. Yeah, tomorrow we are going to try and go for a hike. Obviously, assuming the weather works out. So that should be alright. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.